The sound level measured at the 30 meter from the jet plane is 140 decibel. What would be the sound level at 300 meters? So when we talk about sound level, then we're going to call it beta. So the beta, I'm going to call it 2, and 140 decibel, I'm going to name it as the beta 1. To find the sound intensity level, we need to find I2 first, sound intensity at this point, because, well, sound intensity level beta 2 equals 10 log I2 over I0. So if we can't find the I2, then we will find a beta 2. Now, what do we know about intensities? We know that intensity is inversely proportional to the distance squared. So I can say if I2 is inversely proportional to 1 over 300 squared, and I1 is inversely proportional 1 over 30 squared. Now, if I divide I1 by I2, make a ratio here, or divide I2 by I1, the ratio will lead me I2 over I1 equals 30 squared over 300 squared, which leads us to 1 over 10 squared, or 1 over 100, which means follows that the intensity level at the 300 meter equals 100 times less than intensity at 30 meters. That's a good thing. Now our goal is to find what is the intensity at 30 meters. Well, let's use this expression for the intensity level, because we already know beta 1 equals 10 log I1 over I0. So we know the value of beta 1, that's 140, equals 10 log I1 over I0. So from here I can find 14 equals log I1 over I0. I1 over I0 equals 10 to the 14. Then from here I can find I1 equals 10 to the negative 12 watts per meter square, which is our I0, times 10 to the 14 will give us a value of 100 watts per meter square. Now, knowing this, I can plug this guy right here and find the value for I2. I2 equals 100 divided by 100, which makes it equal 1 watts per meter square. Now the next thing I want to do, I want to plug it in, this one, into my expression of finding sound intensity level at the 300 meters. Then I would write beta 1 equals 10 log 1 watt per meter square divided by 10 to the negative 12 watts per meter square, and that will give us 120 decibel. Well, this is amazing, right? Even at 300 meter, the sound is at the threshold of pain. This is why workers at the airports always wear ear covers to protect their ears from damage. Thanks for watching, and be careful with the sound intensity levels, they can be dangerous to your health.